Hey everybody, and welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. I'm Steve Piacenza. Today, Cathie is making over Valentine candy boxes using some really fun scrapbook paper and, of course, gloss Mod Podge.
Hi everyone, I'm so excited about these projects. I'm Cathie Filian, and like Steve said, we're making some fun Valentines. Let's take a look at some of the different designs. This one is a giant candy box, and it's more of an all-over collage. These are all paper cutouts that we attached using Mod Podge. I've got some candy boxes here. Look how fun, we're layering up papers and doilies, heart doilies, and scrapbook paper. I wanted to create some Valentines that would be fun for my girlfriends. This year, Valentine's looks a little bit different, so my plan is that I'm going to put these Valentines on their porches and surprise them with a girlfriend Valentine. And one of the things that was so awesome is I found this cool paper, so it has a lot of fun, just different inspirational things. Let's see if we can take a peek at some of it. If you follow me on Instagram, I did a reels with some of the different papers and things that were in there. So we found some fun paper, and we're using some different heart doilies to create the design. Super easy, so let's just dive right in. I have our candy box here. This is just the lid, and I went ahead and I traced it on the background paper. And if you look at the design, the paper that's behind there is the background paper. So on this one, it's the pink with the doilies. You can see what the yellow looks like. And on this one, I did not add the doilies. So it's really just like a collage on top of the candy box. I'm using Mod Podge Gloss because I wanted to get that real shiny look. If you wanted matte, you could use a matte finish or satin. And I went ahead and cut my heart paper to shape, or to size, I should say. And we're just going to add our Mod Podge directly to the back of the paper, just like so. And this is just basically Mod Podge collage right onto a candy box. Go ahead and coat that. And then I'm gonna position it right on top of my heart box. If you get some fingerprints, don't worry, because we're gonna be layering all that up. You wanna go around and kind of just make sure you get those edges good. Seal those edges and smooth it from the center out. You don't wanna have any air bubbles, so just keep smoothing like so, and do a little pinch around the edge. Now I went ahead and I cut a doily shape to layer right on top of that, and I love seeing that peekaboo. See, when you have that gloss finish on there, you get that shine and you get that really fun paper poking through. So let's go ahead. This one I'm being a little bit more careful because it's a little bit delicate, but I'm just adding the gloss Mod Podge directly to the back, and then we'll layer it up over our pink base paper. Go ahead and get that coated. Now, some of these doily papers, I noticed that they wrinkled, but if I waited and I didn't mess with it, then the wrinkles went down. So that was on the pink colored doilies. They were more wrinkly for whatever reason than the white ones and the red ones. Let's go ahead and smooth that down, get any air bubbles out. We have a little bit of time to kind of move it into position. Got a little tear there. Let's go ahead and move it right back. There you go. Just like so. Now I'm gonna set this aside for a second and let that dry for a minute. And I wanna show you our cute clip art that we're gonna use. Fries before guys. I thought this was really funny. I've got a bunch of different ones over here with a really fun, empowering girl comments. Remember, these I want to do for my girlfriends for Valentine's Day, but of course, if you wanted to do this for a boyfriend or your kid or whoever, you just pick scrapbook paper that matches that. And there is a ton of Valentine paper out there right now. So let's go ahead and add, this is just a paper cutout. It kind of looks like a sticker, but it's a paper cutout from a scrapbook paper. Go ahead and add our Mod Podge to that, just like so. Position that right onto our box. This is a really fun way to create a custom look quickly, just a little quick collage. And we're gonna go ahead and top coat right on top of there, just like so. If you got a little edge sticking up like that, you can push it down with your finger And smooth out your brush strokes. There we go. Now you just want to set that aside and let that dry. And once it's dry, you're gonna get this really fun, shiny box just like that. You can add chocolates to it if you're recycling an old one, or you can just give it with the chocolates that come in it. And I've even seen people recycling these and sticking little jewelry and rings and things like that in it. So you could create a fun treasure box that way too. I've got one more that I want to show you. This is super easy using some candy heart boxes. My girls love these candy heart boxes, so I thought I'm going to make over these for them. And I got this cool sort of blue, this came from the same paper pack, blue paper, and I have cut it to size, and I went ahead and pre-creased it, okay? And I made it a little bit bigger so we have an overlap. And this comes together quite quickly. We're just going to add our Mod Podge to the back of the paper, just like so. And these are gonna be a really fun treat. If your kids are in school, this is a really fun way to create some classroom Valentines too, because these little boxes are very inexpensive. I think they were 3 for $1. Go ahead and wrap that. Let's get that kind of pushed into position and lined up. Now I did not do the tops because I wanted everyone to be able to see what they were getting, so it wasn't like that big of a mystery, but you could do them if you wanted to. So press down, and then I have a doily where I cut the bottom off because I really just wanted this sort of hint of the doily. So we're gonna go ahead and add our Mod Podge to the back of the doily. Just like so. And we'll put that into position right onto our candy box. I hope that's lined up good. I'm working kind of quickly here. Go ahead and press. Yeah, that looks good, that looks good. And I have this really cute little graphic. So a little bit of Mod Podge to the back of that. And put that into position. Custom candy boxes. Wouldn't you love to get one of these? I love these candy hearts. If you guys like candy hearts, drop a comment. Let us know. I'm gonna top coat it. And you don't need to top coat the whole thing if you don't want to, but definitely top coat the top here, the front. You can go ahead and do the sides if you wanted to. There you go. Now you've got a custom candy box. Now let's take a look at some of the other candy boxes that we have. Got one here with the Yes Girl Yes. So cute. And we've got our little kiss there. Again, we've got a collage one here, just loaded with all different kinds of fun graphics. This one I love with the yellow in the background. It's really endless, the different designs that you can make. So grab some candy boxes, grab some of your favorite paper, and create something special for your buddies. Thanks so much for joining us today. We will see you next week on Make It with Mod Podge. Steve, by the way, I've got a little teaser for you. Next week, Steve is going to be creating these really fun Valentine vases with flowers, and he's tinting the vases and using extreme glitter Mod Podge to create that really cool sparkle look. So that'll be next Thursday. So thanks you guys. We will see you next week with another Make It with Mod Podge. Make sure you use the hashtags Plaid Crafts and Mod Podge so that everybody at Plaid can see what you're making.